So hi and welcome to Oxidize. What's your name?
My name is Matthias Klaus.
And who do you work for?
I work for the Oxidize GmbH, and I'm co-founder and co-CEO. At the moment, we are two people there, and trying to expand in the Rust ecosystem with our zero-copy-based middleware. So we are also the maintainer of Eclipse ISRX, which is currently rewritten in Rust.
Sounds great. All right. What brings you here to Oxidize?
Just general interest in Rust, and also since we are based our company on Rust, we just want to engage in the community, check out what's going on, what's new here, and also meet with people.
Did you attend any workshop?
Yeah, I was yesterday on the cross-platform GUI workshop with the Slint guys, and it was also really fun there, and great to see how easy it is to get something on an embedded device.
Sounds great. What's your motivation regarding Rust?
Rust helps quite a lot to reduce the cognitive load, and so that you can just concentrate on your domain problem and do not have to care about thread safety, memory safety, and so on. And also the tooling is really great, the build system, so you can really keep a sane mind and concentrate on what problem you have to solve.
Sounds great. And are you also using Rust at work already?
Yeah, of course, since we are building our company around that. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.